experiment, we're taking acids, in this case lemon juice, cutting an apple in half, and comparing one half of the apple that doesn't sit in the lemon juice for 2 minutes to the other half of the apple that is a control group that will not be in the lemon for 2 minutes. The lemon will act as a preserving agent so the apple doesn't turn brown. The apple that turns brown is the apple that gets oxidized because it's in contact with the air.
So now we're getting one half of the apple and we're putting it in the lemon juice and we're gonna see what happens. For 2 minutes.
On the left, we have our apple that's still soaking in the lemon juice for 2 minutes.
On the right, we have the control apple that is oxidizing outside of the lemon juice. We are now going to take out the apple that was sitting in the lemon juice for 2 minutes. As you can see, it looks a lot fresher than the one that has just been sitting out in the air.
We're now going to wait 10 minutes and see the difference between the apple that was not ever put in the lemon juice and the apple that soaked in the lemon juice for 2 minutes. So we have both of our apples. The one on the left was the one that was soaked in lemon, and as you can see, it is still freshly preserved. The one on the right is the control group that didn't soak in the lemon, and it's a lot more brown.
Phenolic compounds are present in apple tissue. Phenolics are a class of chemical compounds that contain a hydroxyl group that are bonded to an aromatic hydrocarbon. This is important because the half of the apple that has not been placed in the acidic lemon juice is brown because oxygen has entered the cells and the enzyme phenol oxidase is now oxidizing the phenolic compounds within the apple.
The reason the apple that was soaked in the lemon isn't brown is because the acidity of the lemon, or low pH level, inactivates the enzyme, the oxidizing enzyme within the apple, so the oxygen will react with the acid of the lemon before it can turn the apple brown. An atom in a molecule is oxidized if it gains oxygen or loses hydrogen. So the original reactant will have less oxygen than the product and or will have more hydrogen in the reactant than the product. In this example, I have a phenol here drawn on the right, and oxidation occurs because it loses hydrogen in this example.